In the third part of the Introduction to VLab SDK lesson, you will learn about the various sensors, variables and effectors offered by the VLab SDK. You can use these ready-made components to start creating interactive, immersive training applications at once. The VLab SDK provides the following sensors. Knob. A control that can be rotated continuously or between two extremes. The knob maintains a floating point value, optionally limited within a certain range. On-off switch. A control that can be successively toggled between two states. The on-off switch maintains a Boolean value. Slider. A control that can be dragged on a straight path between two extremes. The slider maintains a floating point value, limited within a range. Concrete variables manage a concrete, literal value of a certain type. The VLab SDK provides the following concrete variables. Concrete Boolean variable, a simple Boolean value. Concrete numeric variable, a one-dimensional numeric variable. Calculated variables generate a value based on inputs. The VLab SDK provides the following calculated variables. Subtract from float variable, a helper calculated variable that subtracts a numeric variable from a specified number. Multiply by float variable, a helper calculated variable that multiplies a numeric variable by a specified number. Random float variable, a bound random number generator. Math expression variable, a powerful expression evaluator that generates a floating point value based on any number of inputs. Mapping variables transform other variables' output to different types. The VLab SDK provides the following mapping variables. Boolean to int variable, conversion of Boolean values to 0 or 1. Expression to string variable, conversion of the value of a numeric expression to printable string. Numeric to Boolean variable, threshold-based conversion of a number to a Boolean value. Numeric to vector 3 variable, numeric coordinate-based composition of a 3D vector value. The VLab SDK provides the following effectors. Component mutator, modifies any serializable field of any component type object. Game object activator, activates or deactivates a game object. Game object swapper, switches between the children of a parent game object. Light intensity mutator, modifies the intensity of a light source. Position mutator, modifies the position of a game object in 3D space. Orientation mutator, modifies the orientation of a game object in 3D space. Scale mutator, modifies the scale of a game object in 3D space. Text mutator, modifies the text value of a text type UI component.